just like Mom.
Yellow. Whoop. Emily, look at me. Orange it is. Oh, oof. I'm okay. Oh, God bless you, Emily. Take this.
Emily, is she sneezing? Let's go check it out. Oh, Emily, are you okay? Why are you sneezing?
Oh no, Emily. Emily's sick.
Oh no, Emily, could you get the medicine box?
Okie dokie.
Oh, Emily, it's okay. It's just a little fever. You'll be okay.
Here is the medicine box.
Oh, thank you, girlfriend. Let me see. Oh no, she has high temperature.
Ooh, no, what to do? Oh my God, no.
Girlfriend, calm down. Don't panic. We have a medicine. If we give that, the temperature will definitely go down. Let's give Emily this medicine.
No, I don't want this. It's bitter. No.
No, sweetie, it's very sweet. Trust me. Have some.
It is sweet. Maybe we give Emily some tea with lemon?
That's a good idea, girlfriend. Tea will make her warm, and lemon is vitamin C. It makes you stronger. Okay, girlfriend. You please stay here and play with Emily, and I'll go to the kitchen.
Emily, don't you worry. You'll get better real soon.
Let's take a kettle. Let's add some water. Let's add some tea. Now we get to add some sugar. Now let's boil the tea. Meanwhile, the tea is getting ready. Let's get our lemon. Make sure we always wash our fruits and vegetables. Now, let's add our lemon juice to our cup. Our tea is ready. Let's give Emily while the tea is warm, and after she drinks this, she'll go to bed. And trust me, she will get better. Let's go. Emily, have some.
tasty.
The temperature has definitely gone down. And now it's time for Emily to sleep. Emily, time for bed. Take plenty of rest, okay? Trust me, tomorrow you will wake up healthy. Sleepy. She is already asleep. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.